Hello everybody, I am back with another release video for you in my trusty Web Manuals hoodie, of course, as always. Now, this release is the February release, and I could wrap it in February being a shorter month. I'm not gonna do that. The truth of the matter is, this is a tiny release, and the reason is we are throwing everything at the new Reader app. A lot of progress is happening. You will see a little bit here today as well, because we have done quite a few things in the back end as well for the new Reader app. But other than that, let's jump into the release notes. First off, we have two changes to the admin. The first change that we've done is we have allowed stylings to appear in our widgets, meaning that you can now add font and text styling to the checklists. So whenever you have a checklist, you can change the color of text, you can change the background color of text, and things like that. That is now allowed. A lot of you asked for it. Also in the dashboard, we've done a minor change for those of you who needed help or who were looking for help. When you, in the getting started area, click the help button, then it would send you to our old help center internally on the site. That has now been changed. Now you're sent to the new help center, meaning that you will actually be able to get the help that you need and also join in on our forums. Enjoy that. And for bug fixes, in the Reader dashboard, in some cases, the links there would not link to the correct document or would not link to anywhere at all. Now it links to the correct document and the correct Reader page, so that it's now easier to get where you need to go. Also, a small thing for forms as well, because forms had an issue. If you put the form field title inside the field itself, the form could actually not be submitted. That has now been fixed, so now all of your users can actually submit their form results. And last one is actually for our support here in-house, but I know some of you had issues with URLs and internal cross references. The URLs were wrong. If it had a domain name in it, that can now be fixed by the support. So those of you who had that issue, call the support and they will help you out. And on top of all of this, we have done a lot for the app, as I mentioned. A few things that I just want to mention is we have done a lot of back-end forgot password updating, meaning that with the new app, you will actually be able to reset your password without almost going anywhere else. You'll receive an email that you click a link on, and then you can reset your password directly in the app. So you don't have to, in the old days, you would actually have to log into Web Manuals itself. You don't have to do that anymore. It's gonna be a lot more smooth and an easier transition between passwords. So I hope you enjoy that. Also, change the entire login flow for the new app. It's going to be amazing, and all of this to support push notifications, because with push notifications you will now be able to receive a push notification even if it's just if it's for a manual that you have not downloaded yet, which is going to be a huge thing. Transmitted letters are now packaged inside the EFB package, meaning that the app will actually have the transmitted letter with it as well. This is a huge thing for us, and we hope you enjoy it. Also, we added even more APIs to push notifications as we are working with that. So now announcements will be even better at pushing to the new Reader app. And the very last one is a big one as well. We can now, in the Reader app to begin with, and in the browser reader at a later stage, we are now able to favoritize PDF pages. And this is a big one. I know a lot of you have asked for it, and you will now be able to, in the new app to begin with, will you be able to apply favoritizing on pages and thereby be able to get back to your favorite PDF pages as well. That's all I have for this one. It's a short one, as I said, and that is because we are focusing on getting the app ready, as well as the other things we're currently working on. A lot of big projects that we really want to just tie up, ship out, so we can focus on a little bit of smaller things and two big projects on the side. Have a lovely day and a lovely week. Goodbye.